Hello, Grade 1 boys and girls. It's me, Rashid, your Grade 1 mascot. Today, I am going to teach you how to learn new snap words and learn how to use them to write. Let's begin. These are the snap words that you are learning today. But, let, run, us, yes. His, said, saw, say, then, they. Today, I want to remind you that you can turn any word into a snap word. Then you can read and write that word in a snap. The way you study a name or a word last week is similar to the way you turn a new word into a snap word. Step 1. Make it a snap word. So first off, we need to read it. Hiss. Maybe it's hiss. Okay. Step 2, we need to study the word. Study with a close, big magnifying glass. So the way we study a word is we sound out the letter names. H, I, S. Or we sound it out. H, S. Step 3, we spell it. H, is, his. Maybe it's his, not his. Step 4, we cover, we write, and we check the word. So here you go. I covered the word. And I wrote what I could remember. H, S. Oh, now we need to check it. H, yes. Yes. S, yes, correct. I wrote it down correctly and I spelt it correctly. His. Now I need to use it. That's the last step. I'm going to use this word, his, in a sentence. This is my sentence. This is his toy. I use the word his. Right, now let's use one of these snap words to write simple sentences. I chose the word run. So after I studied the word run, so I say it, run. Then I need to, what's the next step? Step 2. I need to study it, R-U-N. Run. Then I need to spell it, run. Oh, yes, okay. Now I need to cover it. So I'm just going to cover it with my finger on my computer. And I'm going to pretend to write it in the air. Oh, yes, I think I did it correctly. Run. Now I'm using it in a sentence. I like to run. Oh, there's another snap word that I used, and after studying it, I decided to write a sentence with the snap word then. Here is my sentence. My mum went to the shop. Then she went home. Oh, wow, that wasn't difficult. It really makes it easy, Rashid. Rashid makes it really easy for us to study a snap word. And a snap word can be any word that you decide to study. So now it's your turn to show me what you learned today, boys and girls. So you need to go to your word study seesaw activity assigned to you today. And this seesaw activity is due on Wednesday. Enjoy!